Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Hani Zulaika Zulkifli and I'm from BA 2733D. I'm a student of University Technology Mara in campus Bandaraya, Melaka. The purpose of this video presentation is to highlight on the current issue in recruitment and selection that happen nowadays. My selected topic is about employees' concern, skill gaps between baby boomers and Gen Z in manufacturing industry. I will talk about what I have learned and understand in the article that I researched. So, let's move to the introduction. Employability skills are critical for professional success, especially in this day of economic globalization and technological advancement. However, there is plenty of evidence that companies are concerned about the skill gap between Gen Z and baby boomers. Employers in manufacturing business are increasingly concerned about the skill disparities between Gen Z and baby boomers, which pose difficulties to labor productivity and long-term sustainability. These two generations bring both different experience, work style, and skill set to the workplace, which creates both challenge and opportunities to manufacturers. As baby boomers retire and the younger, more tech-savvy Gen Z workforce enter the industry, employers are grappling with how to bridge this gap to ensure continuity, productivity, and innovation. These key issues at the heart of this concern include technological adoption, knowledge transfer, and training and development. Understand and addressing these generational differences is essential for manufacturers to remain competitive, efficient, and sustainable in rapidly evolving industry. So, there are some issues that I will discuss in this video. Businesses must face the fact that there will be many forthcoming retirement as the manufacturing workers ages, along with any associated difficulties or obstacles. But maybe not all the baby boomers resign. Some of them will stay in the industry in the long term with the new technologies. Thus, the manufacturing sector is dealing with two-pronged issue, which is the younger people are filling crucial positions while older workers are retiring. Policies must be put in place by organizations to keep existing workers, make sure that knowledge and skill are transferred before key personnel and hire new employees of Gen Z. Here is some of the issues that will be highlighted. So the first one is technology and digital transformations. So for the baby boomers, the manufacturing industry is rapidly adopting automation, robotics, and smart technologies. They may be hesitant to embrace these new technologies. Although a large number of baby boomers can use some contemporary technology, there is a general lack of proficiency with the cutting-edge advancement found in today's manufacturing environment, such as AI, cloud computing, and sophisticated robotics. In addition, some people may be less tech-savvy or less at ease using digital tools than younger generations. While Gen Z workers, tough, comfortable with technology, may not have the hands-on experience necessary to manage troubleshoot advanced systems effectively. Many members of Gen Z are unfamiliar with manual industrial processes and older machinery despite their proficiency with the newest technologies. For some non-digital operations that are still performed in more conventional or less automated facilities, they might not have the necessary practical abilities. Next, knowledge and skill gaps. For the baby boomers, due to years of experience, they frequently possess sophisticated problem-solving strategies. Because of their vast expertise, they are able to handle unforeseen problems and difficulties, particularly those that call innovative, creative thinking. They also have useful hard skills like using older software or tools, operating machinery, and troubleshooting mechanical systems. More recent development like AI, computing, and data analytics, however, might be difficult for them to handle. They frequently possess superior soft skill in face-to-face communication, leadership, negotiation, and crisis management. In Gen Z, they may be better at teamwork and communication in digital setting. Because they may not have encountered as many real-world problems throughout their brief work experience, they may not have yet developed the same innate on-the-job problem-solving skill. The last issue is training and development. Baby boomers may not have received training in modern technologies or management practice that Gen Z workers are accustomed to. Baby boomers training program frequently emphasize manual and mechanical abilities. Although many of these workers may not have taken part in continuing education in more recent industrial technology, they have already become proficient over time. Training older workers on advanced technology require more intensive tailored training program. This program need to move at pace that accommodates slower learning curve and may require more hands-on individualized instruction. This adds to both the cost and time requirements for training initiatives. Employers recognize that Gen Z workers may have strong digital skills but many lack on the practical hands-on experience required for manufacturing. Gen Z workers may not necessarily possess the fundamental knowledge and physical abilities required for hands-on work in manufacturing despite their familiarity with digital education tools and rapid learning. Despite this challenge, companies should nonetheless fund continuous learning programs to keep baby boomers and Gen Z abreast for emerging technologies in manufacturing industry. Okay, next, we move to the solution for the issue. The first one is mentorship program. This mentorship helps both groups bridge the technological divide and accelerates the adoption of new technologies while preserving essential legacy knowledge. Baby boomers frequently possess extensive industry knowledge, practical experience, and awareness of conventional manufacturing method. They can act as a mentor to Gen Z employees, guiding them through the subtleties of the field. Simple design principles should guide the creation of technological solutions. We should have user-friendly interface that accommodate a broad spectrum of abilities. While Gen Z workers anticipate smooth, user-friendly platform, many older workers may find complicated systems intimidating. Gen Z are typically tech-savvy and very skilled in social networking, automation, and digital technologies. They can instruct baby boomers on the newest digital tools and technology utilized in contemporary manufacturing. So we move to the second solution. In this issue, the way that we will highlight is make hybrid position that capitalize on both generation abilities. While Gen Z workers would concentrate on data analysis, process automation, and digital optimization, baby boomers might concentrate on process optimization, troubleshooting, and about machine operation in the industry. This gives the two generations chance to work together and share knowledge. They can create distinct career pathway in this way, enabling Gen Z and baby boomers workers to acquire the competency required to thrive in a digitally transformed workplace. Alright, so for example, create opportunities for informal knowledge exchange, such as lunch and learn season, where baby boomers and Gen Z workers can share insight and experience. This can cover everything from troubleshooting technique to the latest advancement in manufacturing technology. The last one is provide training and resources that help both generations adapt to constant change, whether that's learning new technologies, working with different teams, or adjusting to changing market conditions. Use a combination of contemporary e-learning techniques such as online courses and simulation, and conventional training approach such as classroom instruction or practical workshop. Baby boomers could choose workshop or training that led by an instructor. But Gen Z might react better to interactive digital-first methods. Maybe some manufacturing industry has a problem with the money and the cost that they need to invest for training their employees. But it will be the best way to make sure that the workers successful in the future for the industry to reach a high performance for their output. So in conclusion, the skill gap between baby boomers and Gen Z in the manufacturing industry presents significant challenge for employers. As baby boomers retire, they take with them decades of experience, knowledge, and practical expertise, particularly in traditional manufacturing processes. In contrast, Gen Z, while highly proficient in digital tools and technology, often lacks hands-on experience with older systems and machinery still in use in many manufacturing environments. Employers need to develop creative ways to bridge this generational gap so that information and skill may be transferred effectively. Employers must also adopt a blended learning strategy that incorporates hands-on training, digital training platform, and on-the-job training. This preserves their priceless implicit knowledge of baby boomers while guaranteeing that both generations are upskilled in today's technologies, especially in manufacturing industry. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.